Edward, is this what you call love? I gave you everything. My company, my love, my life. Is this how you want to pay me back?
And why are you painting me black? Why are you making me look like the devil here when I'm obviously not? Let me ask you this one question, and please be sincere. Am I the first man to break your heart? Am I the first person to shatter your heart?
Is that what you came to do?
Well, at first, when I met you, I was genuinely in love with you. And then, Roda came into the picture and she showered me with so much love. In less than few weeks, she bought me a car. But you, over 2 months, all you did was to turn me into your sex toy. All you know was to make me your sex toy, for me to service you morning, afternoon, evening, without showing me any atom of unconditional love.
And what is this piece of trash doing in my house? Get out! Shut your trap, you bitch. And stay off this. You think I will not find out? So this is your true color. Edward, after everything I've done for you, what have I not done for you? I should have known you were working with this devil. I won't have you insult me in my house. Get out! I have got my eyes on you. I am out for you. I am out for you. Do your worst.
Enough! You do not barge into this place to fight her in her own house. If there is anyone you have issue with, that person is me. So face me and leave her out of this.
Edward, I can't believe you're saying all this to me. After all I have done for you, you know what? Stay away from me. Stay away from my company. Stay away from everything that concerns me for good. Just go.
It's okay. Thank God it came out from your mouth. You're a witness. You heard her, right? Nonsense. Stupid. Hello.
Hi.
Well done, ma'am.
Well done.
I noticed the bonnet of the car was open. I had to come check. I think your car is faulty.
Yes, the car just broke down. I don't know. You stay around here. Do you know of any mechanic close by?
Yes. There's a mechanic.
Oh, good. Please, can you help me?
But he's not that close, actually. Just about 25 minutes drive from here.
Oh my goodness, it's far and I have an important meeting to attend.
Oh no, I see. In that case, I suggest maybe you take a cab to wherever you're going. I'll go get the mechanic and then he fixed your car. I'll bring it to the address you drop. I know it sounds funny to trust a stranger, but I am real. I'll fix your car and I'll bring it to you, to your address. Trust me.
Okay.
Pardon my manners. My name is Edward Ashegu.
Edward Ashegu. You're an Igbo guy?
Bam.
Oh.
Yes, I'm from Anambra State.
Oh, really? I'm also from Anambra State. My name is Sonia Obara.
Wow.
Yes, nice to meet you.
You know one name.
Exactly.
One name why?
Okay, no problem. You know what? Let me just take your number.
Okay.
And then when you're done, you call me. I'll just take a cab. You can just put it yourself.
Okay.
Thank you.
Edward Ashegu.
Sure. All right.
Okay, this is the remote.
Yes, please. When you're done,
okay, just
call
me.
You. Yes. I just flashed you.
Okay, I'll get it.
Okay, I'll just pick my handbag and some things in the car.
It's all right. It's my touch lights. On our palm.
Edward, right?
Yes, I brought your car.
Oh, thank you. It's fixed.
Well fixed.
Within this short period?
Yes, it wasn't a big thing, you know. He said it was a fuse, so he fixed it.
Oh, just the fuse?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention.
Yeah.
Here's your car key.
Thank you. You surprised me. You know, a stranger, you left all your gin and offered to fix my car. And actually brought it.
It's okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Can we find somewhere cool to eat, drink at least? If you don't mind.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, good.
Let's go.
Get into the car.
Madam is a nice person. Just that man has been toiling with her heart.
Now, wow. But since we start work for this compound, I never see one single man will come this compound say they look for madam.
All those men are coming for the money, not for the love. As a matter of fact, she just broke up with a guy last month.
Child. Oh, you know, so all these big madam them. All these big madam. This thing are the most problem with these people they get with this. But wait, madam no get family.
What kind of stupid question is that?
What?
It's like you have a plan.
Huh?
You are asking me silly questions about my madam and you expect me to answer that?
Is it not our madam? Now what for you? This small thing I just talk now. This small play I just play with you now. You don't pick offense. I saw they do be that.
Food is ready.
I better bring her come for me.
Is it?
Can my food come for me now?
Yeah. As what, please?
As Chief Security Officer and Divisional Police Officer, DPO, in charge of this compound.
Okay. I will. I will.
Good.
Listen, let me tell you. If you don't come and carry your food in that kitchen, you will not eat throughout the day.
Eputas, if you do not give me my food, do you think you will cross this gate? You will not cross.
I'm going to lock that kitchen now.
If you do not bring my food, I'm going to lock this gate too. You self, and always they take offense for something. Don't joke that kind of joke with me. Keep my food very well. I don't want rubbish. Juliet, I thought that you're not going to give me my food. Let me just give you a little of yourself. Don't forget to bring my water.
So, this is where I stay.
So, where is your house?
That apartment over there. That's where I'm managing.
Is that where you stay?
Yes. That's where I'm managing for now. I know you're not used to this kind of environment, but it is what it is.
Okay, you know what? Come and see me tomorrow. Let me see how I can help you.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, I will. I know your area, but remind me your house number.
It's plot 34.
Plot 34.
Yes.
Okay, plot 34, plot 34, plot 34.
I'll see you there.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you once more for the food and the refreshments. I really enjoyed it.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay. Take care. Drive carefully.
Sure.
Bye. Flatten your tires.
You mean you trusted him that much that you left that your expensive car for him?
At that point, there was nothing I could have done. If I had waited 30 minutes extra, I would have lost the contract. God just used him to help me. Let's just say he's God sent.
Yes, he is. He is. And who is he?
I don't know him.
Are you sure?
If I knew him, I would tell you.
Okay. If you say so. Actually, I was going to the site. I just said I should come and check on you.
Oh, that's sweet of you.
Okay. Take care. Let me go now.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Why must she be the one to win this contract? I told that stupid mechanic to fail her brake, and he went there to do something else. She's really blocking all my sources, and I hate her for that. I hate her.
Boy. Who be that? Na me o, na somebody.
Now who na somebody?
Sec-
Ogenekwa.
Security. Is this plot 34?
Which one be plot 34 again? Huh? Now so una they do for this street. Now so una they go, they work out for this area, they find gates when they knock. They knock every day. See, best what you no lost for this area. Oh. Best what you no lost for this
Oga,
area.
calm down now. I look like thief for your eye. Anyways, there's this lady I met yesterday. She gave me this address.
I wrong address. Oh.
Plot 34.
Now wrong address because the madam with me I know. My own madam what I get. I know this say my madam go give you address now. Why my madam go give you address? My madam never see me finish to give me address for this gate. Now you where you no even know go see you give you address. Okay, see me I tell you something. If na job you they find, sorry, job no day for here. I beg. If you check another side, I beg.
I not tell you, sir, I can't look for a job. Oh. I did not come here for a job. Like I said, Her car broke down yesterday. I helped her to fix the car and she gave me this address.
If I talk now, now you don't make me understand. If I talk, say you be mechanic now. You just speak big grammar, just dey blow grammar up and down. Say,
She dey, your madam dey.
come inside, come inside, come inside. If I tell you, you can come inside.
Thank you.
Come this side. Come this side.
Huh?
As the chief security officer of this house, I dey tell me come this side. No just do anyhow. Come. Get this side.
Okay.
I'll go now. I go give statement. Say person, come see madam. You understand?
Okay.
I dey come. No move and eat here.
Okay. Hey. Almost house. Hey. Here na flat. Let me see, can I see my house with this? What of that side? Oh, no.
Madam, you get one brother where they forget. He say you will be madam invite and make you come house.
Is he fair?
Exactly. He blind a mechanic.
Oh, please, let him in.
Okay, madam.
Mechanical.
You come.
Okay.
Go to work fast. So. No, they too. They look. My madam, they look you for this thing. No, they look at now. Come now.
This guy, your blood is hot, so calm down.
Guy, no, they look this. My madam, they for camera, they look you now. They won't sack me for work. They come now.
Guy, take it easy now. Your blood is hot.
You know the thing my work now. They put for risky. They come my bed. You say you make a. Guy, come now. You go put me for problem. This can't be kind of itself. They come now. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Go to your food.
Good day.
Hello. Please sit down. Thank you.
Okay.
Make yourself comfortable.
Wow. Your house is so beautiful.
Thank you. I hope you didn't find it difficult to locate this place.
Like I said, I used to be a taxi driver, so I know my way around town.
Okay.
Stop calling me Ekutos. My name is not Ekutos.
Because you do the talk, you do the now you are people.
Who is he and who is looking for?
Is it not the mechanic? He said he's looking for madam now.
Madam, what for?
If you ask me now, who I go ask? Which kind of talk be this one? What did they tell you? Say person say be mechanic. I be madam no get motor again where they go work. You just they talk and I make I call you Ekutos. You know, mind your business. I never reach where you go give me food. You know, want serve me food today.
Plenty sequence.
See, anything I like do, let me be the chief security officer, the divisional police officer here, DPO. Call and console, you must give report for this gate. I don't tell you finish. When I don't wait for you 2 minutes now, you know, bring my food.
And you don't do your own now.
I'm but waiting no concern, you go like pull mouth. Let's say na mechanic. You can't get them waiting one can do. Madam no get motor.
Absent is a quince.
I'm not going to give my food.
Please tell me everything about yourself. Edward, right?
Yes.
Everything about yourself.
Are you sure you want to know more about me?
Yes.
Okay.
You guys are sisters. What happened to the sisterhood?
That love and relationship ended the day she betrayed me. She took what rightfully belongs to me and left me to suffer in the university.
But that was a long time ago. She still gets along with you as sisters.
She's only pretending as if nothing happened. But you know what? I will shock her. Sit and watch.
Careless of the mind, the heart so fast, the body weakening, so in danger.
If that is the case, follow them up and make sure the contract is well handled.
Okay, boss, I've done that already. I just need your signature to hasten the process.
Okay, let's do it then.
I can be on my way now.
No, hold on.
Okay, just let me know.
Call me if you need anything.
Of course.
I have someone I would like you to carry along. I will introduce him to you soon.
Okay, boss. So, can I go now?
Yes, please don't forget to call me if you need anything.
Well, I'll call you.
Do have a nice day.
You too.
That's one step. I want her to lose that contract.
But she is your sister.
That is what she presented to you all. She's nothing but just a friend who does not want my progress. I told her of that contract and she went behind me to steal it. Just like the way she stole my man in the past. But you know what? I will make her pay for every little tears I shed in the past.
So how do you plan to do that? Because I cannot terminate this contract. You see, listen. I've been eyeing the position of the regional manager for a long time. And I need this contract to prove to everybody that I deserve this role.
You know what? I'll make you the general manager. Just help me. I want her to lose that contract. I can convince the board to make you the general manager. It's a promise.
If you handle this contract well, you will get double promotion. That's not all. You stand the chance of becoming the regional manager. I trust your ability. That is why I choose you.
Thank you so much, boss. See, I will not fail you.
The ball is in your court. Have it in mind that if you fail me, you no longer work for this company.
Because I promise I will deliver. I will deliver 100%. I promise you that.
Okay.
Name your price. And I will make you a big boy in this city. Only if you work for me.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger.
I need to tell you something about the issue on the ground. I would advise you to follow your heart on this. Sonia is a very good woman. Stop listening to mere promises, okay? Sonia is a good woman and she is the only person who could give you the job of a regional manager. Don't mind Roda and all this rubbish she has been doing.
I'm already confused. I don't understand why Roda is hell-bent on frustrating her efforts. I don't get it.
Let me tell you something, yeah? This fight has begun a long time ago. You and I, we know nothing about it. And if we do this, if we really want to stick to these people, they will deal with us without us knowing. They will use it as a set to for crying out loud. Just just allow Roda to be Roda. Focus on Sonia. Okay?
I heard you.
2 days ago, she told me the same thing she has been telling the co-workers. She is beginning to spoil each and every of their minds.
For real?
Yes.
Anyway, let's rush off to.
You mean you came first class in civil engineering?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Why are you now driving taxi?
A condition make a fish bend. It's a long story, man. When I graduated from the university, I searched for job. I couldn't find any. I had to come up with the idea of going into transportation for survival.
Wow. I must say I'm really impressed. I need people like you around me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please, you're embarrassing me. Can you just get up?
Thank you. Your help means so much to me.
Okay. Please, get up. Yes, sit down. Wow.
I promise I will never fail you.
Okay.
At least, for once, I can make use of my certificate. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's fine.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
one here.
Don't worry, ma. I'll make you proud. I will not fail you, ma.
It's fine. It's fine. Wow. Good. I called you, Bud, because there has been a new development. Williams, I need you to carry him along for some time, especially on this new project. I want you both to share ideas, come up with something good.
Why not allow him work with the others until after this project? He might be a distraction to Williams, and that's not what we want for now.
Williams, what do you think?
Well, he's already in the field. You know, what he needs now is the practical aspect of it. So, I think I can work with him.
That's all I need to hear. Edward, Williams is your new boss. But both of you are answerable to me.
Okay, ma. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I promise I will not disappoint you. Welcome on board. Thank you. Thank you.
Good. This calls for celebration. Juliet! Juliet, get us drink!
Ma'am?
Welcome on board once again.
Thank you so much.
Juliet! Hurry up. Thank you.
And who is she to employ a man without following due process? She acts as if the company is her birthright, and no one is questioning her.
Calm down. This man might actually be of help.
Help my foot! That's why all of you are loyal to her. But that will change soon.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened, so in danger.
Madam is about to help another man. I don't know what she sees in them. I'm telling you, this man is not pure.
You get waiting there to help others.
Everything is wrong with that. Everything is wrong with that. People don't value what they get cheap in this country. And you know it.
If it be true, if it be lie. But for me, I no go fit stop to the help people. See, even Madam self, where you see so, that you know say that woman get good heart. And you know say that woman, she's a big give. You don't know whether an idea where God take the bless her.
I'm telling you, that was exactly how she helped Frank and Jude. What did she get in return? Disappointment and heartbreak. This man is not pure. Believe it or you leave it.
I beg. I dey hungry. Is my food ready?
Is that what?
I dey hungry. Is my food ready?
So what we're discussing here is not important.
Let it be my business for this way they talk. See, ma tell you something. You see this gate? This gate now you see so. Now in be my office. Now in be my duty post. You see how this way they talk say, Madam Company. Nothing concern Madam Company. I beg, if my food don't dey ready, may you give me food, my chop. All this way they talk.
Go.
I don't say just they find.
Just go. Don't worry.
Who will go join their heads together with Madam?
Go now.
They go say I don't talk. That my rice. I beg make sure say enough plantain. That salad no too pour and cream because of my tummy. Can't for happy some. Just you understand?
You're the worst person I will ever have such conversation with.
Good afternoon, Chantel. I didn't know you were coming.
Ma, I came to give you a very vital information.
Is everything all right?
Yes, ma. It's about Roda.
About Roda?
Yes, ma.
Please sit. Thank you. What about Roda? How could you hide such from me?
Have I not been good to each and every one of you? What is it that you asked me that I haven't done? Yet you chose to keep this away from me?
Madam, Ma, I did it because I don't want problems. See, Rhoda cannot tell me what to do with my future. That's why I ignored her.
Is it true?
Yes, ma. I told him to follow his heart.
Yes, and my mind has been made up. I want to execute this project. I want to prove myself.
Do the needful and leave the rest for me.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakening, so in danger.
Now that you have seen the kind of person we work with, what do you think?
Well, to me, I would say let's pretend as if nothing happened. I mean, if she can do this to me, who knows the number of other company workers she has on her side?
You have a point. Chantel, what do you think? Very well then. Let us play the game.
Edward Ashebu, born on the 17th of June, 1985. Drop out in SS3. Your first class result was forged. Your boss collected his car because you don't give good account. Who is Rosabelle? Are you surprised that I know all this? Oh. I want to make you an offer. And do not dare to reject it. How will you feel if that fool get all this fire?
Ma, please, I am begging. Don't do this to me. Do not blow my cover. Please.
Only if you work with me.
It's okay. Yes, I will work for you.
Very well then. Your secret is safe with me. Okay? You will never regret this. I promise you. But first of all, you have to relocate from that hole you call a house and start living here. That place is meant for pigs.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakening, so in danger.
Come on, man. Where have you been?
I needed to see a friend.
You look bothered. What's the problem?
Nothing much, just family issues, you know.
Family issues. You see, listen, family issues is one problem that you cannot stop thinking about because you cannot win. So the most important thing is to do your best and leave the rest. Okay?
Yeah, you're right.
So, cheer up. We need to get to the company. We have lots of work to do.
It's okay.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakening, so in danger. soul in danger. Are careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Are careless of the mind, the spirit stress, the limbs numb. Soul in danger.
What's new?
Everything you need is in that file.
Are you a fool that you don't understand me? I mean, what happened today at work?
Like I said, every information you need is in there.
When are you moving in?
Tomorrow.
Very well then, you can leave.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Are careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless.
At this point, we have all the materials to start work. What about the laborers? You did not include them here.
Yes, well, we will have to select them tomorrow.
Okay. Very well then. Take this. I know you guys would like to cool off after a hectic day's job like today. Have it for yourselves.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoy your weekend.
All right. You too. Cheers. This is nice.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're understanding the game. And you deserve a hug.
Uh-huh. I was waiting to hear something more romantic. And not just a hug, but something romantically more than a hug.
Wow.
There is problem. Something is going on there.
How you take concern me? How you take business me? Eh? See, man, I tell you, my work na this gate. No, if you pass this gate, no go involve me for any other thing. I beg.
Can't you be serious for once? Just be serious for once. I am here to give you a first-class information.
Give that information to yourself. Carry that information. Go kitchen. Face your work there. Minister of Information. You want to give me first-class information. You dey find where they put for problem. This my end of the month salary. You know what my madam give me am again, Abi? No go put me for problem, oh. No go put me, oh.
You know I don't blame you. I blame myself. I blame myself for coming close to you.
Why you no go blame yourself?
How
you go take blame me? You dey find person wey go put for problem for this compound. Jobless woman being. Now a month don almost the end now, so that maybe say one or two small problem now. This my chiko way madam want to give me take help my family. Maybe because storyline. Ekutos, you know Ekueri. I don't even know why they give you that fine name, Juliet. You could have answered Ekutos because you know at this compound is too much. If you like, don't go and get my food ready. You want to bring me out to my duty post? I'm busy writing statement and recording everything in this compound. I'm waiting for my food, though.
I have had this feeling from the first day I met you. I decided to respect myself because I wanted to be sure. But now that we are together, I decided to open up to you.
But ma,
shh. Please don't call me that. My name is Sonia. I want you to be all mine. But, shh. Please don't say no.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go to my room.
Sonia is. She's so sweet. Oh my.
forget.
You see that way they do, madam? And this way they do, madam, be that. I don't know why madam like all these shocky boys. I don't know why madam like shocky boys. Well. No wonder they always break her heart. Eh? See me, they forget you. Madam go say no see me. Now I don't carry shocky boy now. Two of them don't. I be no fine. I'm fine now. Because of this uniform, wow, yeah. Madam, they carry my right, they go give shocky boys. No be yawa idea. What is it?
She just did it with him. Madam is about to make another mistake of her life.
I don't understand. She did what with who?
Are you blind? Didn't you see him at the gate when he was leaving? Didn't you notice anything?
Wait. Hey! No wonder. Chimo. I saw him coming out. He was adjusting his trouser. Eh? I thought that even... Hey! Aro. Hey! Madam. Why madam, they do like this now? Eh? I hope madam is not around. I come out the wire. I hope he's not around. Hey! Madam. Hey! Madam.
What are you doing here?
Madam, I say I come check on you. As the stranger come out, since I never use this my eye see you, I say I come check on you. I will say you do okay.
Does it look like something is wrong with me?
Sorry, ma.
Get out from here, I'm fine.
Ma?
I said get out!
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Jude. What did she say?
I don't go see madam now. Shall I go there, madam say, make I get out.
Eh? She did that?
How could you do this to me? I trusted you, and you went to that fool to give her what belongs to me.
Hey, honey. I had to do what was necessary to extract more vital informations that might help us. Okay?
Did I hear you say you did it for? Are you sure?
Listen. This game is for the fittest. We must get closer to the enemy if we must win.
That's a smart one. I never knew you're that smart. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for yelling at you, okay? I was scared of losing you to her.
You don't have to. It is you that I have feelings for.
For real?
You and you alone.
Thank you.
Okay? So, you need to stop stressing.
She knows we're saying. And she knows we are on Sonia's side. This is one thing I've been trying to avoid.
Wait. How is that even possible?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the spirit stress, the limbs loom. Soul in danger, soul in danger.
Did you see that?
I don't know what to say. Oh.
Did you see that?
I only mind my job. So that is it.
This is why rich ladies don't get married. They're too cheap.
Oh, you're the master of the game now. Cheers.
Oh, yeah. Cheers to that. You know, you can say that again and again. Come to think of it. Sonia, now trust me more than the others. And you needed to see how she was feeling on top of the world. While we were standing next to each other, every other person were just admiring us, and she was like, oh, she has gotten Edward for herself. But in my mind, I was making jest of her.
Okay.
Because all I was saying was a mugu.
For real?
By the time she realizes what she is into, her heart must have been shattered into pieces. Yeah. It was fun. You missed that. It was fun.
That fool thinks she can have my man. Her heart will be broken by the time she finds out that she's nothing but a sex toy for you. Oh my God.
I love this game. It is getting more interesting.
Very, very.
It's becoming more and more interesting. Cheers one more time,
Cheers,
my darling. Cheers. Right now I feel like dancing this song. Let me see you.
Go lo lo lo.
Let me see you.
Go lo lo lo. Bugao.
He joke. I need more of this juice.
Okay.
Look at the woman we are trying so hard to please. I never knew she's this cheap.
And to think he slept with the both of them. That guy is evil.
Which guy is evil? Are the girls fools? See, I'm very sure those girls asked for it.
What are we going to do about this now?
Nothing. We have to mind our business and watch the show. Okay? Get inside the car, let me drop you off.
Okay.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger.
My lord, I want to be very careful with those working for her. I don't want them to suspect any of your moves. Especially that fool, Carl Williams. I believe he's working for her.
There is nothing to worry about. I am the master of this whole game. Trust me, they can't beat me to it.
Okay.
I will have to get going.
Okay. Just take care of yourself.
I will.
And be careful.
Sure. And you too.
Okay.
You look hot.
Wow. Thank you.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Just like the sun lights up the earth, you light up my life, yeah. You're the only one I've ever seen with a smile so bright, yeah. Just yesterday, you came around my way. I feel so completed.
I didn't know you sing this well.
Of course, I feel so complete having you in my life.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you for loving me. Thank you for accepting me into your heart. I love you.
I love you too.
So where are we going?
Anywhere our legs takes us to.
It's all right. So come hop into the car.
Okay.
Careless of the mind, the heart so fast, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the spirit stress, the limbs loom. Soul in danger, soul in danger.
She seems happy being with him. We need to do something before it's too late.
What you want me to do? Eh? Besides, madam no be small pikin where they go say you want go to give them advice. Besides, you and madam want go give each other advice. So nothing like that.
I know, but we need to save her from incurring another heartbreak.
Heartbreak quoi? See, me tell you something. Something where they bring heartbreak. Now when the two relationship, the other one they cheat, the other one. You understand? Now him go warrant the other one go do it. Go come enter heartbreak.
She deserves better. She's a nice lady, can't you see?
Sorry. As both of us, they like this for you, for this compound like this. You know, say love. Love not the hungry, you know, fit you. But today, and they safeguard another person love, another person relationship. They try make you be, may you be the young man, Melissa. Eh? As you do like this now, we be say, don't worry, why you there from the trespass? You like her? Eh? As me and you like this, we only us get this compound, and say, God don't bless us. Only us get this garden or feed them. We will not make use of this place, this opportunity they give us. You talk about Madam O.
So what is in your mind?
Like what? Nothing in my mind though. I beg. Don't give me my food, my go.
You want food?
Come,
let me give you your food.
Now you're talking.
I don't understand. What do you think of yourself? Who are you to come to my house and tell me how to live?
Ma'am, I'm only concerned because you are my boss. See, it's not as if other staffs are happy seeing two of you together.
To hell with all the staffs. So this is what all you guys do in the office? Gossip about me?
Ma'am, nobody is gossiping about you. Nobody.
Get out before I have you fired. Who are you to tell me what to do? How to live my life? The gods! Get out of my house! Out! What nonsense! Come to my house to tell me how to live my life. My love, you didn't tell me you were coming.
I was around the neighborhood. I decided to come check up on you.
Oh, sweet.
I saw Williams leaving. What did he come to do on a Sunday afternoon?
If I tell you, you won't believe. The idiot came to tell me to stop dating you. Can you imagine?
He's just being a clown. So tell me, what did he say?
I put the fool in his place. I told him if he tries it again, that will be his last day of working with me.
Humans. Humans and jealousy. I guess he's just being jealous.
Yeah. My love, let's go to my room. I want to show you something.
Let's go then.
Okay. I'm sure you like what I want to show you.
What are you doing here? I thought you have taken a part.
I'm sorry, Ma. I really want to work for you.
Are you speaking from your heart or she sent you?
Ma, I came on my own. And I really, really want to work for you. Please.
Very well then. Only on one condition.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the spirit stress, the limbs loom.
Wait. He is practically not picking my calls. No. This must be a joke. These fools are not picking my calls. So this is it.
What is it? Eh? What is it this time? I hope you're not here to disturb me because of food, because you see I'm busy.
No. No be that one carry me come. Eh? Julie fine girl. Eh?
And what's that eye for?
Julie, you and I know that Madam is not around and is coming back by midnight. You see this full compound, eh? So this is an opportunity where me and you go use understand ourselves.
You're a fool. You're a big fool.
Agonekwa.
To think I have accepted you in my life. Listen, let me tell you, we're nothing but colleagues here. Do you understand? So mind your business while I mind mine.
Julie.
Don't call me Julie. My name is Juliet. So if you cannot call me Juliet, don't call me again. Okay?
Julie, are you talking to me like this? Eh? This small player I just play with you. You don't take am personal. Eh? How many you go there for this full compound? Only us. We're gonna look at ourselves like say we be mirror. No problem. You don't reach your turn now, you don't do me. I go there my own now, you go still find me come. And that time I go show you. Now me oh. You see this thing where you do me, I'm not gonna forget that for life. You see this way you do me.
Ah!
See paradise when we are supposed to date, enjoy ourselves. They lose opportunity.
Look at me, Juliet. Energetic.
If this organization is all about secret plots, I will have no other option than to fire each and every one of you.
It is not in your power to decide. Do you expect to have things your own way all the time? Huh? This is a group of company and not a private sector.
Roda, I knew you were the brain behind this.
And so? Do I look like I care?
Oh, please. I suggest we peacefully go on with this meeting and not this royal rumble.
Shut up and do not open it except you are asked to do so. Roda, what is your problem?
I can't remember telling you I have a problem. If anyone should have a problem here, it's you!
Okay. In that case, I will have no other option than to ask you to leave my house. You can't come to my house and insult me. Get out!
This is not the end of it. The war has just begun.
And I will be waiting. Now, get out of my house. Out! Okay, thank you.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened, soul in danger.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ma, please, this is your first.
Soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger. Soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the spirit stress, the limbs numb.
What were you all even thinking? That I will not find out? I loved you all with all my heart. Yet you went behind me with Roda to remove me. All your daily activities with Roda are here with me. In case you even think about denying it.
In case they want to deny it, I have the tape.
I don't think anyone will even deny it. What was I thinking when I hired you all? I am so ashamed of you all.
What were you thinking? Huh? That I will be happy after rendering insult on me in their presence? What do you take me for?
I was talking to the two working with her, not you.
But you generalized your statements. You insulted me in their presence. Listen, I will not be anyone's slave to be disrespected in such manner. I won't take that from you or anyone.
My love, I am sorry. I was talking to them, not you. I won't intentionally insult you or hurt you. Please, I'm sorry.
Get your hands off me. Just leave me alone.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm talking to you.
Ejike, I want to tell you something.
I beg, just day your day. Make I day my day.
Ejike, am I the one you're talking to like that?
I don't tell you finish you. That way one time you carry and go your department for kitchen. Tell her yourself. I beg. Because that time we been to do your own. You don't remember. First to do, you know it's the first to do, not they pay. Now you don't remember, they call me HK. HK. Don't HK me. Oh. After all, the only thing I have with you is once you are done cooking, you call me, let me come and have my food only. So any other thing is concerning.
Yeah. Sweetie, what's up? Of course. You needed to see what happened. I put her in her place. As a matter of fact, she's shedding tears right now as we speak. Don't worry. She's going to get it hot from me henceforth. Of course. It's all right. I stopped by to pick up one or two things. I'm on my way home. All right. I'll see you, okay? Bye. Love you.
You caused all this. Why didn't you separate the files? Now my baby is mad at me.
Sorry, ma. I'm still working on him. It might interest you to know that he's hiding something.
Something like what?
The picture is not yet clear. I'm still working on his file, but I promise you, I will bring up something. And there won't be any mistake this time around. Please.
Better.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened, soul in danger, soul in...
Now you listen to me and listen very attentively. I don't know how you intend to do it, but I want to know everything about that girl before the end of today. Do you understand? Her house address and her daily activities. I want to know everything. Good. Since they want to play, let's play. I will let them know I am still the one and only Eddie in the street. Let's take it to the street.
Are you stupid? Is it because I've been accommodating and enduring your excesses? Next time I catch you eavesdropping on my calls, I will have you fired. You too. Fools.
Sorry, yeah? Sorry. You see why I tell you make you always mind your business? You see why they tell you make you face your kitchen. Me will be chief security officer for here, divisional police officer, DPO. I dey face my own business because I know say that gateway is so and my business. Now you don't see her. Eh? In case of next time, make sure say you dey face your kitchen. See anything we concern that kitchen. Now your department. So you know that really happen for this house. Come on your eye, come on your body. You know the year. I will tell I can't tell you be that too. No. Sorry. Sorry now. Huh? Clean your tears, huh? I'm gonna go. Sorry.
They want to bring out the demon in me. I won't spare any of them. What do you mean they are after your life?
They sent a man after me. If not that I am smart enough, I don't know what will become of me.
That means they know you're working on something.
That I'm sure of.
What about the file?
Oh, I instructed my second to send them to my phone.
That's good. Please sit. Let me get you something to eat while we wait for the file.
Thank you.
Careless of the mind, the heart so fast, the body weakened, so in danger.
Just one task. Just one task I ask you to carry out. You failed woefully. Now that she knows, what do you think will happen? And you know Sonia is clever. I am giving you 24 hours to get her, dead or alive. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Now get down and go do your job. They can't just be professional for once. So local. Let's get that off here.
Ma, all the information you need is here. You can see it for yourself.
Williams, we really need to do the needful before it's too late.
It's already too late.
How do you mean?
See, Chantel, I'm tired and sick of all the nonsense going on in this company. You see, all the bickerings, all the backbiting, I'm tired. See, if they don't do anything to address it, I will tender my resignation letter. And I'm serious about that.
No. It hasn't gotten to that.
It has gotten to that.
No, Williams, calm down. Really, don't do this. No, don't do this, please.
You know what? Just enter inside, Khalid.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger.
Wait, hold on. Oga Williams.
How far is your madam around?
See, I know one problem. You see, the last time when I come here, condo meeting go. Now only God, now you know the drama will happen for here. Now some madam begin to reverse, they scatter things, they throw away things. You carry television, you go hit for ground, you go kick chair. Even our maid where they serve us food for kitchen, madam even slap and put. Ha, I beg go. Oga Williams, you get what I want to ask you, my fellow man. What think they happen for this house? What think they really happen for this house?
How am I supposed to know? I'm here to see madam for the last time.
I know they sure say that one go walk. Oh. Madam no even there around. No. Madam no there around.
Okay. See you, Ejike. Help me give madam this letter.
Okay.
And take care of madam. She's a nice lady.
I'm always trying my best.
Thank you.
No problem. I'll give her. Let me go and open the gate. Keep going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Over. Down low. But this mountain for this house, before I know you go put me for problem.
You and I know I want to help you. We can't come this far and end it like this.
I cannot continue to fight Sonia because she is innocent. I have conscience. Come to think of it, haven't you done enough damages because of what she did to you 16 years ago? What is it she did to you that you can't even forgive?
Eddie, she really hurts me. I don't want to remember it.
What? Well, keep it to yourself. But let me let you know. All the workers have tendered their resignation letters. You and Sonia are about to lose your late father's investments. And remember, this is your major source of income. I will not be there to support either you nor Sonia. My hands are off. I'm out of here.
Wait.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger.
I think this is the best thing to do. I can't keep working for two enemies.
I think Roda has been the major issue. She has always wanted to use us to get at Sonia.
Exactly. That's why I'm not supporting any of them. You know, this thing is affecting the company so bad. Sonia wants the best for the company. Quite alright. Roda is antagonizing her. You see, that's why I've already tendered my resignation letter, because I can't just stay and be watching all these things go. I've sent my letter to the security man to send it to Sonia, so that she will give me my balance and I will hands off completely.
She brought this whole thing upon herself.
It's okay. It doesn't concern me again. I'm done. So done.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakened. Soul in danger, soul in danger. Careless of the mind, the eyes bleed, the mouth speechless. Soul in danger, soul in danger.
I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry for trying to avenge what happened 16 years ago. I felt betrayed. And since then, I've not loved again. And I asked myself, what should I stand to gain fighting each other? Please, I'm sorry.
You mean what happened 16 years ago?
I'm sorry.
You didn't tell me. I should be the one to apologize to you. You didn't come clean to me. I didn't know you were carrying this burden.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No. I'm supposed to apologize to you. I am sorry. I offended you. You didn't tell me. I am sorry. You should have told me.
I'm sorry I didn't listen to us. I'm sorry.
No. I should be the one to apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Why didn't you tell me? You should have come clean. Why?
I'm sorry.
You should have told me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Careless of the mind, the heart suffers, the body weakening. Soul in danger, soul in danger.